Here we will be making an vertical text. First, I opened abode-illustrator in my PC. Okay, then first I click on this cursor option at the top of this. Okay, then I click this rectangle tool button. Okay, tool or button, and then I trace it about it here. Okay, then click on cursor, then click and gradient color to this. Okay, then go to this rectangle, make one rectangle, and then make it white color. Okay, then click E drop tool and then color it orange, faint orange. Okay, then click to this cursor and then I want to copy paste it at here. Then I want to I drop tool and then color it red plus orange, and color it this. Okay, then click the gradient and click the gradient slider, and then click add a tool on the gradient. Okay, then repeat this process. Okay, then wow, what's looking? Okay, then I go to this tool option and then I click right, and then I click vertical type tool. Okay, then it will be loading. Then I click to its center. Okay, then I click backspace and then I click G word. Then I click bigger in size. Then go to font. I want to font this one 93. Then click copy and paste. Okay, then color it sky blue for here. Okay, I will make it. You have any type of problem in Illustrator or Inkscape, then comment me. I have this type of problem, then I will resolve it. And don't forget, friends, to like, share and subscribe and comment. Okay friends, bye friends.